G'day, there's no such thing as a steady state, and I'm going to tell you why. Observability. You might think it's only for chaos, big migrations, emergencies, that kind of drama. But what if I told you that I think it's your secret weapon for every single day? Today's cloud contact centers, we know they are super complex. Browsers, soft phones, networks, headsets, every component changes on its own schedule. More moving parts means more chances for surprises. Case in point, a recent Chrome update that happened. Organizations pushed it out, agents updated it, and boom, agents get a error notification. Unable to share headset. No mic equals no calls. A silent WebRTC regression broke the get user media API call. The browser, it simply refused. No error in your network, logs, drivers, or firewall, because everything outside the browser looked just fine. Agents would have been rebooting computers, swapping USB ports, and nothing would have been working. Calls would have been piling up like rush hour traffic, and supervisors would have been rerouting to chat and email only to watch those queues choke as well. I know because I've been there. One tiny bug triggered a full-blown operational meltdown. That's what a hidden blind spot looks like. Here's where Operator jumped in. The moment the error was flagged, in-app alerts were pushed out, alerting users of the problem and to either not update to the broken version of Chrome or to help them identify which agents were on the bad build, helping them to solve and size the problem. When Chrome did roll out the update, Operator jumped in again. They nudged so that everyone could verify that every agent had updated to the new version so that calls flowed as they should. The point is, there is no steady state. Updates happen, drivers update, browsers change. You can't freeze everything or you're inviting security risks and unsupported systems and versions. Real-time CX observability gives you instant insight to those browser versions, API calls, and other technical, operational, and experiential issues. You see the issues the second they appear, so you can fix the root cause and keep your SLAs intact. Don't wait for customers to ring the alarm bell. With Operator CX Observability, you can catch the problems first so that agents are able to answer calls, customers stay happy, and you keep rocking no matter what updates roll out. I've written an article on that, links down below. Love to know your thoughts. Until next time, and as always, hooroo.